Hello everybody, it's the Fortnite guy and I'm going to explain to you what you're going to do in my class next week. This is for Coach Leaf's class, and if you missed Friday's class, you missed what I'm about to tell you. So hopefully this helps you, or if you need to hear it again, hopefully this helps you, and I'm going to send this to everybody. First of all assignments. These are all the assignments for the semester right here. They are all open. They will be open till next weekend, not this weekend, but the weekend of the, let's see, let me take a look at my phone here. The weekend of the 29th and the 30th of May. They will be open till then. All right, so if you get your assignments in and turned in, I will give you full credit as long as you get them in by early afternoon on Sunday, the 30th of May. As long as you do that, you'll get full credit. Unless you're a senior, it's got to be in earlier. Okay? But you seniors already know that. Next, what you're going to do first is you're going to, and don't pay attention to this period because it could be any period, but you are going to click on the link just like you normally do to get into class. Okay, so you'll click on the link. Then when you get into class, you're going to look over here and you're going to look for your name. Once you see your name, that pops up, then you know, okay, coach is going to mark me present. Then you're going to log back out and you're going to go back here. Okay? Then you are going to find these links that are going to be there. Okay, so right now it says we'll be taking the EOC next week. Well, it'll be like, hey, you're taking the EOC now. The very first click here shows you a step-by-step set of pictures of what it'll look like. So first of all, remember that your username is your student ID at Montgomery High School. Your password is your 8-digit birthday. Okay, so on the top part, you would put your student ID. On the next part, you would put your password. Then the next picture you'll go to after you log in is take assessment. Then you'll have a choice of what the assessments are. Then you will click on PE. Then you actually begin your assessment. When you're done to finish and turn it in, you are going to click on the top right corner here and that will turn it in. All right. Now let's actually show you what these other links are. This link is the actual Illuminate link. So the first link I showed you there, this one was just showing you what the steps are. All right, but to actually take the EOC, you will click on the second one. So if you don't need this one at all because you already know how to do it, this middle link is the one we're talking about. So you click there, you would put your username and password, which again, remember is your school ID, and then your 8-digit birthday, and then you would log in and then you would take the test. All right. Next, if there's questions that you don't know, it's a 25 question test. All right. It is a 25 question test. And if, for example, like we didn't go over tumbling, if there's a question on tumbling, you can answer those questions on tumbling because here's the EOC study guide. It'll be like an open book test. Think of this EOC next week as your participation for the week. This is basically what you're doing to get your participation credit for the week. All right, there's 25 questions and you're going to answer them. And in some cases, like here, if you get a tumbling question, you may have to look, oh, well, this is what a V-sit is, and then answer the question, or this is what a front seat support is, and then you may have to answer the question. All right, if you keep scrolling down, you're going to notice that there are other categories here. Like self-defense. So if there's a self-defense question that you can't answer, then here would be the area that would help you. Then there's also possibly team sports type of questions. So if you can't answer them, here is the study guide part that can help you with team sports type of questions. All right. Some of these things we've covered, some of these things we have not within my videos. All right. Then down after all this stuff, you're going to notice that there's some sample questions. So like right here, for example, there's a sample question. Also notice that this part right here where it says all of the above, that is highlighted because that would be the answer. Okay? So if you take a look at some of these, and I'll just randomly go to one, right here it says, in a tumbling, a round off represents the following sequence. And then the answer right here would be B, hand, hand, land both feet. So that's the proper answer, all right? So you can look at various ones and see the one that's highlighted in dark is the one that is the answer. Again, remember this is a 25 question test. For the EOC, you have all week to do it. If you don't get it done on Monday or Tuesday, then you can come back and continue or take it on Wednesday, Thursday. If you don't finish on Wednesday, Thursday, well, then you have to get it done by Friday if you want credit. But basically, the whole week next week is set up for taking the EOC. I hope that this helps you. And then when you're done with the EOC, what is it that we're doing? Well, you're just going to check into class like normal. You're going to look for your name and you're going to log out. If you haven't done the EOC yet in the middle of the week, well, then you are actually going to go back and take all the steps for taking the EOC. All right? I hope that helps. I'm going to send this out to everybody just in case you missed Friday or needed to hear this set of information again. Have a good one.